Hey, this is Mark Silver. Got a brand new laptop the other day and installed Windows Mobile Device Center on it. And after about 2 or 3 days, I too got the Windows Mobile Device Center won't start error, which happens in Windows 10 when you get the Creators Edition update. It's no big deal, but this is a great opportunity for me to make a video and show you how to fix it. So right now, when I unplug my Windows Mobile device and I've got a Carlson Surveyor 2, it makes the happy and sad noises, but Windows Mobile Device Center never starts. And I'll show you, if I try and start Windows Mobile Device Center, it comes up and either says not connected or never starts. Now here's how you fix this. I've got the plan over here on the right. The first thing you need to do is make 2 registry entries, and you can do that by right-clicking on the Start menu and then choosing PowerShell Admin. So we have to be in admin mode to make this work. And then I'll have these 2 registry entries that I'm going to copy here on our website. I'll put the whole document. You can paste them in and hit enter. And then we'll grab the second registry entry, copy it, paste it in, and click enter. We're done with the registry portion of this fix. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to check 2 boxes that are in the Windows features. And the easiest way to get there, I think, is to click on the Start and then type in Control Panel and then click on Programs and Features, and then over here on the left there's a thing that says Turn Windows Features On or Off. You want to click on the top plus sign here under Windows.NET Framework 3.1 and check both these boxes and click OK. After a while, the searching and installing icons will go away. After a while, it will inform you that it's completed and you can close the control panel. Next, we need to go to Services. And that's the easiest way to get there, is to click on the Start menu button and then type in Services. Start the services, and I like to make this pretty wide, and come down to the bottom, and there should be 2 items, Windows Mobile 2003 base connectivity and Windows Mobile base device connectivity. What we want to do is we want to stop both of these services by right-clicking on them and clicking on Stop. And then we want to right-click on the top one and pick Properties, Log On, and change the Log On As to Local System Account and check the box that says Allow Service to interact with Desktop. So I'm going to do that for the Windows Mobile 2003 based connectivity and the Windows Mobile based device connectivity to the next one. Same thing. And then we're going to start them both by right-clicking on them and choosing Start. And when you start the top one, it should start the bottom one. So now we're done with the Services window. Next, we want to make sure that if we double-click on Windows Mobile Device Center, it comes up and displays on our screen. And so hopefully now, when we plug in a data collector, if we wait a few seconds, it will go to Connected. If it doesn't, then on the data collector, we need to click on Start, Settings, Connections, USB to PC, and there should be an item Active Sync, and underneath that there'll be another item, Enable Advanced Network Functionality. I'm going to unplug the data collector. In this case it's checked. I'm going to uncheck it and click on OK, get back to the main menu, and then I'm going to plug in the data collector again. After a few seconds on the data collector, you should say connecting to host, and then on your desktop you'll see the connecting circle. And as far as I can tell, Windows Mobile Device Center will continue to work through reboots and through additional updates from Windows, and I should be good to go forever now. Now, some background. Windows or Microsoft claims that they're not going to support Windows Mobile Device Center anymore, but they say no big deal because you can use the Windows Sync Center. But after this Creators Edition, it doesn't work either. So they've effectively written off their mobile devices. It seems crazy to me, but I think that they're so big that nobody at the company has a clue what's going on. Now, if you need additional resources, so if you duplicate what I just did and it doesn't work, go to the Juniper Systems website. Let's do that now together. This website changes quite often, especially this page. You know, since everything that Juniper makes, go to the knowledge base, Allegro models, Allegro 2. I think this affects everything that they make. And you'll see desktop connections, active syncs, or Windows Mobile Device Center. And down here someplace you'll see Windows Mobile Device Center in Windows 10. If you click on that, there'll be a wealth of additional support options. Now, one of the things that I have found is if you have never installed Windows Mobile Device Center on a PC and you get the Creators Edition, you probably won't be able to install it because there's some missing components. And the great thing about the help that Juniper Systems has provided in this November 2017 update to this frequently asked questions page is that they have a workaround for it. So hopefully, we've only seen one machine that this is affected, and the workaround has fixed it. So hopefully this helps you reinstall or reactivate Windows Mobile Device Center on your computer. If you bought a data collector from iGauge and you can't make this work, don't hesitate to call us. We'll connect to your screen remotely and get you going. Hey, thanks a lot, especially if you bought a data collector from iGauge. Have a super day, and I'll see you on my next video.